So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker and you want paid time off, if you want paid time off, sick leave, you want protection if you get into accidents, if you want income protection, if you want protection if you ever get deactivated, hospitalized, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back as well, there's a brand new company that just launched and they got $1.6 million in funding. They're doing same day cash transfers to drivers, to gig workers for, you know, paid time off, all that stuff. If you want that, the company's called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month. But again, if you use my link, you get 30 days for free. No commitments, no annual contracts. You can cancel and pause at any time. At least check it out. At least click my link down below and accept that gift of 30 days for free. And now let's get on to the video. Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. So as you can see in today's video, I just bought a $5,000 camera to film these videos on. I'm just kidding. This is my same used $400 camera. I don't know why the lighting is like so epic right now. It literally, I look so attractive. Would you guys, can I pull you? No, I'm just kidding. No, it does look pretty cool though. But in today's video, we're talking about how Lyft has raised rates for drivers. This is awesome news. This is outstanding news. Everybody, let's give a round of applause for Lyft and Uber. Suck my D. No, I'm just kidding. Don't you guys ever want to just like send a voice recording to Uber CEO and be like, bro, what is your... Anyways, today we're going over the Lyft rates. Before I get into it, I'm going to show you guys break down how much, just by how much they raised the rates. And also, if you are interested in signing up to be an Uber or a Lyft driver and you want to get a sign up bonus or a guarantee of up to $2,400, go ahead and use the links down below to sign up. And also, if you do want paid time off or sick leave, you can sign up with Cover down below in about 5 minutes. And if you use my link down below, you get your first 30 days for free. All right, so without further ado, please smash the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. It helps me out a lot as a creator make more videos like the one you're watching right now. So if you want to see more videos like this one, tap that thumbs up button. All right, now let's get into the video. So I'm just gonna sync up my phone here and I'm going to go and check into my Lyft driver app. So this is my Lyft driver app that you're looking at right now. Please don't come and stalk me. Don't look at my location. And I'm at 4%. Oh, my insurance did expire. Look, I'm at $81.64 this week. Not bad. Hey, still making that money. You know me. Always trying to make more money, guys. Last week, by the way, guys, holy bazonkers, I made, what is that? Why am I getting $4.17? I don't know. Some of you guys are yeah, look at this. Last week, what was that? $700 in one day. Bonkers. But anyways, let's look into the way you want to look into the rates, guys. And you can do this too. Look and see how much money you're making right now. This is really important. Actually, I drove for Lyft for a while without even knowing how much I was making. But yeah, go on a dashboard, click on rate card right there. And then see, I'm currently in Orange County and you can just scroll down and see that per mile I'm getting 79 cents, 79.5 cents, which isn't bad, right? And then Lyft Lux is paying just over $1.80 per mile, Lyft XL 116. But most of us here are just simply driving the normal Lyft, which 79 cents, not bad. Now, if you guys didn't know, in Phoenix, Arizona, used to be 30 cents per mile. But let's take a look right now. How much do you get paid in Phoenix? They just raised it to 60 cents per mile. So that's honestly pretty good. And also, by the way, guys, look at this. If you drive in Washington, so check your states because I haven't seen any big announcements and I honestly think they might be giving back due to the illness. So this is really cool. So if you go to Seattle, Washington, for example, there's just a random arbitrary city I just thought of. Look at this, per mile, over $1 per mile. This is almost like as much as Uber used to pay back in the good old days. Remember back in the good old days when they used to pay drivers and drivers would make like $5 grand a week? Now, that's a lot of money, maybe $3 grand a week. Look at this, $1 per mile. So if you're putting on, you know, a lot of miles in your car, you're getting a good amount, 18 cents per minute. So there they really stress. But if you can get some long distance rides, 50, 60 mile rides in an hour, you know, you're looking at 60, 70 bucks. So honestly, that is pretty good. Make sure to go and check in your area. Let's just do New York, for example. I'm curious to see how much they're paying, because these rates, guys, are huge compared to what they used to be. I used to check in and it would be like, I mean, I'm kind of a nerd, per mile, 83 cents per, oh no, yeah, look at here. Even in New York City, $1.11 per mile. This is like almost the standard in cities. I haven't seen it that high ever, guys. So I guess what they want to do, because of everything going on in California, I think they just want drivers to drive for them rather than for Uber. And also they are doing these things called weekly bonuses, not quests, but weekly bonuses. So if you just go home here, and what you want to do is just scroll down here and look at the full schedule. Down here, usually, not in my area, I don't have any right now, but there will be these little consecutive trip bonuses. If you do a few rides within an hour or two, they will throw on an additional $18, $15, $10. And they want you to do that during high traffic times, like Saturday night. I'm sure something will pop up here, Sunday morning, Monday evening. But even look at the difference between Monday evening and Tuesday evening. It's almost flipped. So that's pretty crazy. You gotta look out. So if you're struggling to get rides, like good rides, make sure you're not driving during those downtimes, because this is based off data of all the previous weeks combined. So they know, you know, on when drivers are going to order rides. So anyways, guys, again, if you want to check out your rate cards, do down below. Again, if you do want to sign up for Uber or for Lyft, use the links in the description down below and you get your sign up bonus or guarantee of up to $2,400. And if you want paid time off or sick leave, you can use the link down below to sign up in as little as 5 minutes for a company called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get your first 30 days for free. It does start at $7 per month. But anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please leave the video a big fat thumbs up, big fat juicy one, little thumbs up. Tap that thumbs up button. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll talk to y'all soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye.